A bird?
A bird! Let's kill it!
Get him out! Get him out!
If you want to go out there, Holly, be my guest. I'm pretty sure it was one. I'm pretty sure it's just leaves, not a bird.
It just got wrecked.
Fucking bird is drowning. We're watching that bird die right now. He's by the ladder. Becca, you go out there and get him! Tyler's gonna get him!
It's not a fucking bird. It's a leaf.
I think it's a bird.
Never mind, it's a leaf.
Oh,
You guys are all retarded. This is on video too. I hope you all know that.
YouTube.
Tyler's out there. He's not. I don't see Tyler.
I think it's a bird.
Where? I don't see him.
He's gone. He's at the bottom of the pool. Someone's gonna have to go fish him out.
Who? Well, then he's dead now. You said he ran in the garage. Well, Tyler, the bird's already dead. Don't worry.
He's at the bottom of the pool.
Who is?
The bird.
There's no damn bird.
Tyler, he's already dead. He's at the bottom of the pool. Are you gonna get in the pool?
There's no fucking bird.
Tyler, he's dead. Look at Tyler.
There's no bird.
Tyler.
I'm videotaping this too.
It's raining. It's not hailing anymore.
You're like throwing some water. There's some water drops.
Where'd he go?
Oh!
I didn't see it.
He just ran up and...
Are you okay?
Wait, don't let the cat out. Shut the door.
I know when I'm going swimming. I'm back to dead bird with my goggles.
That's funny.
There's no fucking bird. It was a leaf. I keep seeing the same.